If there's one thing you're going to hear me say over and over in this throughout the semester, it's going to be this: gender, number. This relates specifically with our adjectives because our adjectives must agree with the thing that they are describing in both gender and number. So we're going to take a look at that with a few examples. Alright, so we've got el perro. You can go ahead and look it up. Right, el perro significa the dog. So what do we want to say about this dog? Well, el perro, let's say he's a big dog. El perro es grande. El perro es grande. Alright, well that one we don't have to worry about too much because it's an adjective that ends in E. Adjectives that end in E, like grande, inteligente, fuerte, someone strong, those adjectives aren't going to change for gender and number, but there are some that will. Let's take a look. El perro es feo. El perro es feo. The dog is ugly. Alright? Feo is an adjective that ends in O, and it will change if you are describing a female something. If the object that you're describing is female, then you're going to change it. It's going to be fea. Alright? So we could look at that example here with la muchacha being the young lady. La muchacha es fea. So you've got feo, fea, depending on gender. Alright? Well, what happens if we have like multiple muchachas? Las muchachas son. Number one, we have to change our verb because we're no longer talking about just one, we're talking about many. Las muchachas son feas. The young ladies are ugly. Let's put a positive in there because we don't want to be all negative. Bonitas. Beautiful. Las muchachas son bonitas. Las muchachas son feas. In both instances, we are representing both the gender with the A and the number with the S by making it plural. El carro. El carro. It's how you get around. The car. El carro es antiguo. Oh. Antiguo. El carro es antiguo. It's old. It's an antique. El carro es antiguo. If we had multiple cars, los carros son, you guessed it, antiguos. Los carros son antiguos. So we're changing for gender and number. La mesa. Go ahead, look it up. It's table. La mesa es redonda. Es redonda. It's round. La mesa es redonda. It's round. Alright, what happens if we have multiple tables? Las mesas son redondas. So, we're representing gender, and now we're representing number because we have more than one. What about placement? If you've noticed, these are full sentences. Okay? These are full sentences. So we're saying the car is old. The dog is big. What if you just want to say big dog? Well, you could do like this. Es un perro grande. Es un perro grande. And that's really, really different from what we do because here you have the noun first followed by the adjective. Whereas in English, it's vice versa. We do, it is a big dog. In Spanish, you literally see this as it is a dog big. The adjective follows the thing it's modifying. Es un perro grande. Es una muchacha bonita. Es una muchacha bonita. Again, the thing, the person, the noun that we are describing, and then second follows the adjective. All right? That's the key thing. You must remember that everything has to agree in both gender and number. If you're describing something that's feminine, and you know it's feminine if it has an article of la, las, unas, or una, you know it's masculine if it has el, los, un, unos. You know how to tell the gender of these objects. If you're describing it, if you're using an adjective and you're describing it, make sure that that adjective also corresponds with the gender and the quantity of things that you are describing. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.